Good morning. My name is Robyn Vie-Carpenter-Brisco, and today's reading is the January 5th excerpt from Wholehearted Living, An Enchanted Journey for Your Soul, 365 Days of Inspiration by Christian Sørensen and Katherine Economou, entitled Potentiality of Possibility. There is no such thing as part of God. In an indivisible unity, all of everything is present everywhere, all of the time. Ernest Holmes. The spirit that is in everything, the unbroken and undivided, cannot express in fragments, only in wholeness. Within all things, its potentiality of everything. We can never exhaust the potential of possibility. The understanding of unity compels the acceptance that there is no dividing demarcation. We shall continue to grow and change. Your evolution from where you are to that which you shall become is a natural progression, all taking place within a totality of it all. Dr. Holmes states, out of the eternal being comes the everlasting becoming. The good news is that whatever you might be working on, improving in your life right now, its perfect expression is just waiting on your realization of it as your reality. This realization takes place in the divine mind. Sri Aurobindo would say, transcendence doesn't reconcile, it transmutes. The tide of your divine expression will rise from the depths of the cosmic consciousness into self-expression, naturally bringing about the changes of your wholehearted vision. Spiritual contemplation. How do you subjectively embrace dualistic thinking by thinking in parts and segments while attempting to connect to the infinite? Affirmation. I am spirit expressing. Thank you.